Every single day, you meet people who are suffering with the second leading cause of death worldwide. A family member, hundreds in your neighborhood, thousands in your community.
We know that nearly everyone's life has been touched by cancer, either directly or indirectly.
In men, prostate cancer is the most common cancer. 1 in 8 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer during his lifetime. Currently, around the world, initial screening for prostate cancer is based on a blood test called PSA. An elevated level of PSA indicates potential prostate cancer, but this test is far from perfect, frequently overdiagnosing individuals with no cancer or non-significant conditions. Men with elevated PSAs routinely undergo prostate biopsies, highly invasive, painful, and expensive procedures. However, it turns out that worldwide statistics show that from 60% up to 80% of biopsied men actually do not have cancer.
We have developed a new test based on clinical data that could save as much as 50% of unnecessary prostate biopsies.
PROSTAV is a sophisticated new prostate cancer risk score test.
LifeLength is the world leader in telomere measurement. Our unique new test combines telomere-associated variables with clinical data. Telomeres are a critical biomarker for human aging and for early diagnosis of age-related diseases.
PROSTAV can potentially save hundreds of thousands of men from unnecessary biopsies and needless complications yearly, as well as hundreds of millions of dollars in annual savings.
Con PROSTAV lo que de alguna forma pretendemos es crear una prueba que apoye la indicación de la biopsia además del PSA, ¿no? Una herramienta más para la toma de decisiones clínicas sobre todo.
Our research and development projects aim to demonstrate the clinical value of our telomere measurement platform to improve cancer management.
Our technology and test are proprietary and we've submitted for patents.
LifeLength is now completing the final results from the studies, and the data will be presented in clinical conferences and in the form of peer-reviewed articles in 2019.
In addition, we have carried out other studies which need to continue and which promise to improve patient care for such terrible diseases as lung cancer and children's leukemia.
Hopefully they will put us out of a job. I think what they're doing is exactly what is needed.
From all the doctors and clinical investigators involved in the project, we have a very strong support and commitment.
The Botín Foundation is one of Spain's largest philanthropic institutions which seeks to impact and improve global healthcare. As a founding shareholder since its spin-off from the Spanish National Cancer Research Center, we are delighted to see its progress into cancer care.
We need your support to continue the regulatory approval process in the European Union, the US, and globally for our test in prostate cancer. We have had outstanding results from our clinical trial in which we've demonstrated that we can reduce by as much as 50% the number of biopsies, saving hundreds of thousands of men around the world these unnecessary, painful, and expensive procedures. With your support, we believe we will contribute to the future of cancer care.